Hi, today I will show you how to make lava lamp at home. What we need? We need a food dye, vinegar, vegetable oil and baking soda. At first we have to pour our baking soda into the left beaker. So we take it and pour everything we have. Now we have to take it to the straight line. Now we take some vinegar and pour it into the right beaker. Okay. Now, if you want to our lamp be colorful, we add some dye to our vinegar. I use a green dye. We add it a little bit inside. We mix. And now, when we've done it, we take some vegetable oil and pour it on top of our baking soda. We have to do it carefully, to baking soda and oil don't mix. Okay, now we take some of our colorful vinegar here and we pour in small drops of it into our beaker. Like this. To get reaction started, it takes a few seconds, but it's worth it. Why this is happened? This happened because vinegar touches the baking soda, and because that happened, it reaggregates and the CO2 goes outside, and it takes bubbles to float above the vegetable oil. When the bubble is up, the CO2 go up and the bubble go down. And this is happening for something about 10 or 20 minutes. It's pretty cool. Thanks for watching. If you have a proposition what I can do in previous video, you can write it in a comment. Bye!